It might bite you.
Oh.
What's in the box?
Oh no! What is that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What the?
Good? Okay.
Hey guys, it's Jack from jjphyll Videos. Today we're gonna be playing What's Inside the Box?
What's in the box?
Remember to comment, subscribe, thumbs up, tell a friend. If you leave a comment, I'll give you guys a shout out. We got another shout out going out to Ronald Clark. He's showing his support. He's hitting the thumbs up, so make sure you guys do that too. So I got my man Cole right here. What we're gonna do is put things inside the box. We're gonna put our hands inside the box, and we're gonna give our best effort to try to guess what's inside the box. We got the box because we don't want to be able to see it. And with that being said, Cole, he's gonna go first.
Yep.
So let's do this.
What do we got cooking up over here? What do we got?
Oh, for sure.
It's moist.
Ooh.
Is it gonna bite me?
break.
Like,
No,
I
there's
really,
nothing live.
I'm so scared.
Oh, what's it gonna be?
Stop! Oh my gosh.
Watch out.
Reach for the center, dude.
Yeah, bro, you missed.
Or else it's a
Oh yeah, there you go, straight down. Yep. Oh yeah.
I'm so scared.
Is it
gonna-
down?
It might bite you.
There's another. You know you have to guess what it is, right?
Okay?
So you've got to do some feels. You gotta.
It's a cup.
No,
What's
what's
in-
in the cup?
What? So there's like.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? Parentheses. Also in the cup. I'm so scared. What is that? You tell us.
I don't know. You better get in there and feel it.
Yeah, you gotta get in there.
Did feel
Get
it.
in there.
Get a nice handful.
Oh,
Now you got.
Is that
like maggots? What is that?
Nothing living, Cole.
Well,
Yeah.
a dead maggot.
How many inches
Okay.
are in an hour?
Okay. Okay, like rice.
You're on the
Warm.
right track. You're on the right track.
Okay.
Does he have to figure out
Oatmeal.
You got it.
Really?
You got it. It's
Dude,
oatmeal and raisins.
freaking lit.
I'll eat it.
That was low key scary.
Oatmeal and raisins with. There's some seeds.
That's a pretty nutritious. Yeah, the off lighting. That's good.
Literally looks like you.
We thought we'd start slow for you.
Okay.
This is the nicest thing you have in your bag.
Oh my. All
That's
right.
a good one.
All right. Are we doing nothing living still, or?
Yeah, no, nothing living.
All right, let's get in there.
I know you're uncomfortable with returning animals to PetSmart.
It feels like poo. What is this? Oh, there's a chunk. Is it a vegetable?
No, whoa,
It's
no.
mashed something.
It's really good for you.
Is it baby food? It's it feels like nuts after Izzy's passed it.
How do you know what his poop feels like?
I do, but I can't get over it right now. It's like, is it like a yam?
No, dude.
it's not a nut.
No, it's a kind of nut.
Okay, let me guess a color. Is it white?
Yeah.
Okay, it's coconut.
What kind?
Mashed coconut.
Close enough.
All right, coconut oil.
Coconut oil. Ah.
This coconut oil is
Oh man, that did not feel right. I kept having brown in my head.
I'm scared again. Okay.
All right, Cole, round number 2. Okay.
you always reach down.
His first expression.
Keep going.
I'm so. Oh,
Stop.
oh. Back a little bit towards you.
Oh gosh! Stop.
It's in a cup.
Okay.
Like
Is it
most-
able to get out of the cup on its
You pick it
own?
up.
If you move it enough.
Go down.
Oh my gosh! That felt like a snake, like it was cold. Okay.
Yeah, get in there.
Oh,
Play-Doh.
get in there.
Yeah, get in there,
Feel
dude.
that guy.
Man, dude. I do not.
You gotta firmly
Why did I
grasp
say
it.
yes?
Watch out.
You gotta firmly grasp it.
Get that facial expression.
Ooh. What is that? What the freak is this? No, I just squeezed it.
Back up.
Not enough.
Oh.
What is this thing?
What are you doing? Are you stirring something?
I'm
Are you
like,
feeling the aura?
I'm like,
I'm sensing.
yeah, that's what it is. Okay, I'm not gonna guess this. What is this? Give me a hint.
A
Do you give
Tide
up? Do you-
pod.
Oh, a nut. Oh, a little pod.
Do you like my
I was like, for real.
I like dog poop. My dog eats her own poop.
Go back.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, it's a metal can.
You know, get in.
win.
Now, does it have its original contents? That is yet to be determined.
Oh, no. No. Oh, no.
They do things much worse.
Oh, I know.
They put like
That's mushroom.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, I could tell with this shape. I just had them for dinner last weekend.
You had a can of mushrooms, dude.
Oh, yeah. So I had to put a cap on it because I don't want the smell to get out. With that being said, are you ready?
stuck in the microwave.
Mine was worse. Mine was worse.
All right.
I'm making the pizza. Here we go. That wasn't a hint, by the way. Get in there,
Honestly,
fam.
If this is somebody's crap that you just
No.
You would smell that already.
Tyler, you should have kept it on the plate.
I've never been so scared in my life.
Homie,
Like, I
get
really-
in there, bro.
Now just stick a finger down.
Right. Oh,
No,
back.
back.
Back. Oh my gosh, that's hot! What the heck?
Just poke your finger down, straight down.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Yeah, get.
That's
Come on.
really hot. I don't want
put
to.
your
You
hand
tell
on
me to
it.
get in
You
there.
will know what
Grove
it
it,
is.
dude.
Okay, hold on.
Hold on. I know how to do that.
I swear you've seen one of these before.
Yep, up.
Oh,
Did it move? Did it just move? Did it just move?
The way it moved, like it moved, but it didn't like move.
It's just kind of like.
Oh, you hear that? That's a satisfying sound. Firmly grasp it, like squish it.
You know what
Squish
that is. You know what it is.
It's chocolate something.
Nope.
Chocolate Pop Tart?
No, close though.
A Pop Tart.
No.
Not that close.
Chocolate brownie?
Your chocolate's off.
Can we give him a maker of this?
Yeah.
Little Debbie makes these. Starts with an H by Little Debbie.
Second
Something-
word starts with a B.
The second word starts with a B, so it's like,
It's a 3-letter word.
is it like one of them like chocolate?
No, it's not chocolate.
It's not
chocolate.
It smells like chocolate. I don't know. Like
It's,
feeling it is not gonna do anything.
What?
It's honey.
Biscuit.
Honey bun.
Yes.
What a you microwave the honey bun?
Yeah.
We thought it'd be unsettling for you to grab something hot.
Well, it was because I felt that heat wave and I was spooked.
I'm about to smell it.
If Abby was here, he'd know it right away. Might have put these on something on it. It was disgusting. It was sort of, yeah.
Just once.
What am I touching? Oh, pieces of it are coming off.
Oh.
Flaky.
Is it a kind of fish?
Yeah.
I feel like I feel a fin.
I hope not.
No, it's a kind of fish. I know that. It can.
Oh, dude, that's just ratchet.
Sardines.
No.
Anchovies.
Wee.
That's so gross.
Yeah, dude.
Oh no!
Smell 'em
Oh, why'd you make me do that?
Smell your hand.
Don't order that sauce.
Go wash your hand.
Be like,
Oh,
Salty, right?
It's oily.
that's
because that's what it's preserved in.
Dude, I could see. Oh gosh, that's awful. Okay, well, I'll go wash my hands.
Will someone throw that out the window or something? To give the audience viewing a little background, this is Tyler's favorite thing to cook in the room. It's his favorite midnight snack. All right, bud.
I would go. I wouldn't go too fast. You might spill stuff. Okay. So put.
Guide his hand.
Go toward the center.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. Feel
Press
that.
down.
Feel that right there. Feel it.
It didn't get me. I don't know how it didn't. I don't know how it didn't.
That's tuna.
Oh gosh.
You gotta do it. This was your idea.
Yo, rich people eat this.
This is spam.
Nah, bro.
Nope.
I said rich people eat it.
Caviar.
No.
Nope.
You gotta
Give us all. Ooh, he's in
He's
there.
in there. You're in
Someone
there.
called it fancy.
It's stuck. It's got me, guys.
Another animal might eat this.
So rich people eat this.
Like a form of it. This is like the bottom of the food chain.
Maybe like a pig.
Could be in there.
We have to say, we don't know.
What part, like parts of the pig though, you know?
Is it a spread that you put on like a cracker?
I mean, you could.
Yeah.
It could.
Do they normally eat it raw or do they warm it up?
I've had it both ways.
let you-
Not,
You've had this?
not that.
Take a taste of it.
No. I don't know.
And you didn't believe me, I gave you a climbing fact.
Yeah.
It's cat food!
What? Yeah, dude, totally.
Oh man.
I remember that.
Oh, it smells kind of good though.
No, give it a whiff on your finger and you won't think so. Dude, Tyler, you should taste it. Give it a whirl.
Fancy face.
Ew.
Oh,
That's not bad, guys.
you're disgusting.
Yeah, go take
No.
it back to your room.
Yeah, then eat it.
Then eat more than just licking it.
69 cents.
Okay, he actually.
Yeah. Oh, you don't need ramen anymore. 69 cents, dude.
Dude,
Deal.
if you guys are on a budget,
No.
this stuff right here is not that
Hey,
bad.
sponsor us.
new low.
Fancy
Dude, if you got a
feast.
fancy feast sponsor, bro.
All right, guys. So that was our "What's in the Box" challenge. As you can see, we had some great things in the box. We're gonna call it a tie today. Cole had some great guesses. I had some great guesses. We had some laughs. Make sure you guys thumbs up, subscribe. You leave a comment down below. I'll call you out on the next video. Give you a shout out to Legend27. Thank you for your support. We're all done, and tune in next time. Woo!